What you got going on in here?
Hey, play that Katy Perry. No, fuck that. Play that Katy Perry.
Alright, Katy Perry.
What you got back there?
9515J's.
9515. Shit, I can hear it every day.
Yeah, oh, come on, man. Are you still got the thing? Little something.
Little something, nothing crazy.
What? Oh, yeah.
89515.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, y'all know what it is. Katy Perry, Juicy J. Let's rage.
That motherfucker is getting it. What's your name, man?
Nick Rutledge.
You know her name?
Nick Rutledge, yeah. I know. I've been out of the game for a while. I'm sorry. That motherfucker is crushing. You mind if I wipe yours real quick?
Hey, that's only 1,500 watts per sub, too.
This guy was supposed to be Nick.
It was pulling fucking snot out of my nose. That's stupid.